Welcome to Andrea Perego and Giulia Boffi, Marketing Director and Marketing Manager in One Team, a Platinum Partner Italian-based. And today we'll be presenting the innovative project of an online interactive user meeting. First of all, I would like Andrea, if you please, to tell us a little bit more about One Team Group.
Sure. Thank you, Gianluca, and thank you, Autodesk, for giving us this opportunity to share this success story. So let me introduce One Team. One Team is an Autodesk Platinum partner with more than 20 years of experience in providing end-to-end solution in architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and geographic information system markets. These are our key numbers. So we have a staff of about 100 employees. We have a huge number of customers that are helping us to achieve incredible results. As a matter of fact, this year we have experienced a growth in overall revenues of about 40%, despite the COVID situation. One Team is proudly a strongly innovation-oriented company. As a matter of fact, we are leading the way in the implementation of some cutting-edge technologies in the field of engineering, construction, and manufacturing. Indeed, we have recently won 4 European-funded projects dealing with the topics of building information modeling and digital twin platforms. Talking about innovation, we used to give to our customers and to innovation lovers in general the perfect occasion to gather and get inspired by the newest technologies on the market in the field of engineering, architecture, and construction and manufacturing. This occasion is called One Team User Meeting. One Team User Meeting is a meeting that we used to hold once a year in a lovely location, as you can see from the picture. This year was not possible to do it the way we were used to do because of the pandemic situation. So we have to think out of the box and figure out how to give our customer the same premium experience without the possibility of shaking hands. But to talk about this, I leave the floor to Mrs. Giulia Boffi, who is the real champion of this initiative, and will answer to your further inquiries. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrea. Also nice this slide to see all the team related there. And to Giulia, I would like to understand more details about the user meeting and what it actually represents for One Team, and especially what it represents for your customers.
Yes, sure. One Team User Meeting is one of the main events of the year. And in 2020, it would have been the 14th edition, and the professionals of the sector were waiting for this meeting. This event is an opportunity to learn about the main Autodesk news and One Team solution, but not only, because it's also a great time for networking and to build relation among customers and, of course, with partners.
So we are talking today about an innovative One Team User Meeting. So I wanted to ask you exactly what are the drivers that pushed you to innovate. Andrea perhaps already anticipated some points. And it was especially interesting to understand to me how you innovated actually this year.
Yes, well, we had a big issue to solve. We needed to organize something that was not the usual webinar, and let's say something different than what we were used to attend during the pandemic. So this was the time to think about something new and innovative that wouldn't lose the values of live event and that would take us out of the ordinary. So that's how we started to scout a new format. And definitely when we found it, the biggest challenge was to change mentality and to accept something that was disruptive. We decided for this virtual world that perfectly represent the spaces we needed, and we could also customize it. This place was the right one because people could join and explore, as it was a real environment and people could interact with each other. This was the exact feeling we were looking for. People can change clothes and create his own avatar, and this helped a lot with engagement, of course. Then, in order to make the event successful, we wanted to keep it authentic, and we decided to engage also television troupe that helps in showing a professional output. Well, those are the results, and we increased the registered user to even up to 80% compared to the previous event, and more than 300 new leads, and above all 700 interaction among participants, and about 500 business card exchange. That it was actually our goal, this.
So very nice also to see the location. So you could customize the location accordingly to your preferences and your needs. And I can guarantee that was very nice also to navigate with my avatar in the virtual showroom, and uses some tricks also from video games that were available. So very entertaining. The most astonishing thing to me is that you managed to step from a 300 to 100 average attendees from of the physical event format to more than 800 attendees with this new 100% online format, and also with a great level of interaction, you can see, which is a factor, as many of us are afraid to lose the human touch in these digital environments, whereas you manage to keep it alive very well and also to track it very precisely. What would you consider that also helped the most in reaching these great results, so all these attendees, and how you manage that?
Yes, well, that was not that easy because we need to deliver a message to our customers and let them understand what the new format was. So when I say change mentality, I mean not only internally, but also customers one. So we needed to think out of the box using tools that we already know, like direct email marketing, social media posts, advertising, and so on, but using them in an innovative way. So like creating short videos, reels, new content, and so on. This helped us to communicate in a more effective way. And another important step was the follow-up, because we needed to organize all of the leads, and we needed to create a precise flow, starting from the leads collection, going into database management, telemarketing, and of course, at the end, giving hot leads directly to sales. To be honest, the main ingredient was the teamwork among the internal people. And of course, not only, because also it was very important, the teamwork between one team and Autodesk. And let's say that collaboration is everything.
Thank you. It was a pleasure supporting you in this project, definitely. And the results pay off a lot.
Thank you very much. We have received a lot of positive feedback, even from participants. And I can show you some quotes from them, of course. And now we can proudly say that we are the first in Italy in our sector to have given life to an event 100% virtual.